Stop scrolling. Are your YouTube videos flatlining, getting 0 views? Feeling like you're shouting into an empty jungle? Well, fear no more. It's your main primate, TubeKong, and I'm about to inject strength, power, and an explosion of viewers right into your channel. That's right, TubeKong family. Today, we're not just talking, we're conquering. Forget uploading whenever you feel like it. I'm handing you the golden banana, the secret best times to upload your masterpieces for maximum views, maximum engagement, and maximum, well, you know what I mean. Alright, listen up, my little Kongs. The YouTube gods and their sneaky algorithm are creatures of habit. They love it when you feed them fresh, juicy content right when everyone's waking up from their digital slumber or winding down for a massive binge session. But wait, the jungle drums are beating louder. Weekends? Oh yeah, they're prime hunting ground. Saturdays and Sundays, think late morning around 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. People are chilled, caffeinated, scrolling, and ready to dive deep into your video universe before their weekend adventures or while strategically avoiding those pesky chores. Now here's the Kong-sized caveat. You knew it was coming. Your specific audience is King Kong himself. You must dive into your YouTube analytics. It's your sacred treasure map. See when your viewers are most active? Is your tribe full of night owls or early bird gorillas? Tailor your upload timing to them. So, quick recap, Jungle Jammers, before you swing off. Weekdays, 3 p.m. to 6 p.m., your local time. Weekends, 9 a.m. to 11 a.m., your local time. Always check your analytics. Experiment, test different times. See what makes your channel go absolutely bananas. All right, my incredible TubeKong tribe. That's the primal power scoop on upload times. Now go forth, be strategic, and conquer that algorithm. And hey, if this content still loved that one, made your brain bigger, do your favorite ape a solid. For the millions and millions of you magnificent people watching, smash that subscribe button, ring that notification bell like you're calling the whole jungle, and join the Kongdom for more secrets to YouTube domination. May God bless you all. Kong out.